First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, before getting into the video of Target-100 series, so I just want to say two quick information. So the first is the test series. So do not forget, each and every student, those who are preparing for the bank exams, any bank exam, do not forget to purchase the test series on my website or my mobile application. It is only 99 rupees. You can able to write all the test series which is inside the package. Do not forget to buy it immediately, because anytime the price might be increased. Now it is only 99. Do not forget to buy the test series. The first thing. And the second, where you can able to get the complete videos of Feel Free to Learn, what I posted on my YouTube channel in an offline mode. We copy all the videos and give it to you in the form of pen drive. So you can able to watch all my videos in an offline mode. Do not forget to WhatsApp us. Our team will tell you the details. So friends, at last, this is one of the most important series video, that is Target-100. Definitely those who are preparing for the bank exams, it can be any, it can be RRB clerk, RRB PO, it can be any bank exam. Do not forget to watch all the videos of Target-100. So now starting from the first video, and just play the video, right? Just play the video. Take a note and simultaneously you too try to solve the question. Within 1 hour or within 2 hours, you can solve 100 questions. A perfect revision video. Do not forget to watch all my Target-100 series, those who are preparing for the bank exams. And test series and videos, never forget it. So now let me get into the video of Target-100. So friends, now let me move on to the third part of data interpretation on Target-100 series. So we have already posted two parts, that is 10 sets on data interpretation. So we have seen many different kinds of questions, right? So question that is based on X is what percentage of Y, what percentage more than Y, what percentage less than Y. So these are the concepts are more important in DA. So the question and DA in the prelims exam will looks very simple, but the solving method is more important. If you make one small mistake, then the complete answer might be wrong. So that's the reason I'm keep on slowly teaching all the data interpretation in all the different formats, like a degree based question, what we solved in the previous set. And the first set, we have solved most of the question that is based on percentage increase, percentage decrease. And every chart I am teaching you one question that is based on percentage increase or percentage decrease, because that is the most important area where many students are keep on making a mistake. So that's the reason on every part I am just giving you a same kind of question again and again. So friends, this will be the third part. So here we will be solving another 5 set of data interpretation on Target-100 series. So make sure to watch all the data interpretation, so that the prelims exams, the level of question papers, you can easily guess and you can start solving and start preparing question in this way, right? So now let me move on to 5 set on part 3. So here is the set number 11, data interpretation. So they have given a table chart. So chart shows that the total number of shoes that were sold by 5 shops on 5 different months, right? So July, August, September, October, November, and there are 5 shops and all the values are given directly in terms of numbers, right? So what is the first question? So what is the average number of shoes that were sold by shop A in the month of July, August and September? So our target is to find the average for 3 months. So you have to find the total, divide by 3. So mostly for these kinds of question, right, because it is just addition. So addition, you have to divide by 3. That's it. So for these kinds of question, do not see the value in the chart and write down in a separate paper and then adding it. It's a complete waste of time. So try to, by just in the exam, try to see the computer directly and try to add all the values, right? So first, shop A in the month of July. So shop A is July is how much? 128, 103, 135. Just add in the mind calculation, right? So 100, 100, 100, 300, 30 plus 20, 350, 8 plus 8 will be 366. So friends, understood or not, right? So if you write 128, 135, so it's somewhere you will solve this question in 30 or 40 seconds. It's time waste. So make sure to add all the values by directly seeing the chart, right? So 128, 103, 135. So first what I did, 100, 100, 100, 300. So next will be 30, 20. So 30, 20 will be 50. So 350. So remaining we have 5, 3 and 8. So 5 plus 3 will be 8, 8 plus 8 will be 16. So 350 plus 16 will be 366. So 366 we need to find an average. So divide by 3. So 366 divided by 3 will be 122. So answer for the first question is 122. So friends, understood or not, right? So practice like this. Initially it will take your time, you will make more mistakes. That is not at all an issue. When you keep on practicing in this way, then definitely at some point you can able to solve most of the DI within 3 minutes or 2 minutes is possible, right? So what is the second question? The number of shoes that was sold by shop E in September is approximately what percentage more? Just see here, what percentage more? The meaning here is our target is to find the positive value, because what percentage more, right? So our target is to find the positive value. Just read the question. Shops shoes that are sold on shop E in September, so which is 217, right? So then compared to, it's 126. So 217 minus of, it is 126. So 126 divided by 200, right? So I have told you this format. If you write 126 minus 217, then you will get the answer in terms of negative. But our target is to find how much percentage more. If you need to find how much percentage more, then you have to get a positive value in the numerator. So you have to write 217 here. So minus of 126 divided by 126 into 100, right? So now this will be 91. So 91 divided by 126 into 100. So this will be 9100 divided by 126. So our target is to find an approximate value, right? So 126 into 8. No, that don't go. 7 times. Seven times here, right? So remaining will be, so here you have 100, 126, 2 times. Yes, we can say approximately 72%, right? Because our target is to find an approximate value. So we can say that approximately answer for the question is 72%. So which is the answer for question number 2, right? So it goes on actually point something. So you don't want to find an exact value because they have given an approximate answer. So answer for question number 2 will be 72%. So third question. So total number of shoes that was sold together in the month of June was 30% more than the total number of shoes that was sold by all the shops together in June month. Okay, so what they are saying is we need to find what is the total number of shoes that was sold on July month. And after finding the value where June month is 30% more, right? So first add all the values, 128, 133, 109, 113, 117. So first let me add all the 100 values, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So after adding all the 100 values, so we get 500, right? So next will be 28, 33, 109, 113, 117, right? So 17 plus 9, 13, 20, 20, 30, 50, that's 52, 600, right? So the answer will be 600. If you can't, no issues. Again, I am saying this is one of the fast technique. When you practice more DA, you too can able to just like that add all the values. But in case if you can't able to add like this, no issues, right? Just write all the values, 128, 133, so 109, 113, 117. When you add this and see, the total value will be 600. So now the June month is 30% more. What is 30% of 600? 30% of 600 will be 118, right? 6 3s are 18, 180. So 180 will be 30% of 600. So now our target is to find the total. So 600 plus 180 will be 780. So 780 will be the total number of shoes that was sold on all the companies, that is in the month of June. So friends, understood, right? So easy, just you have to find the total, and after finding the total, 30% more. Either you find what is 130% or find 30% and then add with the value. That is answer for this question number 3 will be 780. Understood? So question number 4. So what is the next question is, what is the respective ratio between the total number of shoes that was sold by shop B in October and November month, right? So we need to find the ratio. So October and November month. So October month, the shoes that was sold by shop B is how much? 168. So 168 to 257. So 200 plus 100 will be 300. So 60, 50, another 100, 425. So answer will be 425, left hand side part. So ratio. Shop C in the same month. So shop C 148 and 227. So 200, 300. So 4 plus 5 will be 6. 360, 375. So 375 will be the second part. So our target is to find the ratio, right? So we can cancel it on 25 table, this will be 17. 25 table, this will be 15, right? Yes, 15. So 17 is to 15, that's it. So answer for question number 4 will be 17 is to 15, because our target is to find the ratio for the given shop and for the given months. So just add all the values. In case if you can't able to find directly, it will be cancel it on 25, then cancel on 5 table. If you initially cancel on 5 table, it will be 2 step, next 2 step, you will get the answer 17 is to 15, right? So which will be the answer for question number 4. So last 5th question. So total number of shoes that was sold by store D in October, November together. So D, October and November. So October and November 173, 307. So 300, 100 will be 400. So 73 plus 7 will be 80, 480. 73 plus 7 will be 80. 300 plus 100 will be 400. So 480. So 480 will be the numerator value. Easy or not, right? So try to calculate like this. So next value is what percentage of. So X is what percentage of X by Y into 100. So number of shoes that was sold by shop E in the same month. So shop E 232, 328. So 300 plus 200 will be 500. 32 plus 28 will be 60. So 500 plus 60 will be 560. So 560, and our target is to find the percentage value, right? So into 100. So we can cancel 0, 0 here. So 4800 divided by 56. 40. So this will be 8 times, because 8 5s are 40 something. So six times it won't be. So 5 times. Something around 85%, because it's keep on moving, right? So it is like 0.57, again it goes on 7. Okay, it goes on, but they didn't ask you to find an approximate value, but based upon the option, because we are getting the answer in the range of 85%. I don't have option here, but try to find it, right? Try to check whether you are getting 85% around. So based upon the options, you can say the answer will be approximately 85%, right? So this is the way you have to find the answer for the DA, like these kinds of DA. You should not sit and write all the values like this. If you do so, then it is time waste, right? Actually, it might take you for writing this for every question, this 2 question, and this 2 question, and yes. So instead of solving this DI in 2 to 2.5 minutes, you will take 4 to 5 minutes. So better practice more number of questions like this by directly seeing the computer value. Try to add in the mind itself, right? That mind calculation make you more time management. So that comes only in practice. Again, practice these kinds of questions more. It is easy to solve in your exams. So this These are the answers will be for set number 11 DA. So here is set number 12 data interpretation, whereas this set number 12 is based upon a bar chart, right? So 3 bar graph has been given. So first bar is for students who opted for Hindi, students who opted for English and mathematics, and all the values are in terms of 1000. At the left hand side of the chart you can able to see the values are in 1000. So which means if it is 5, then the answer will be 5000, because all the values are in terms of thousands, right? Okay, so similarly, try to, by just seeing the chart, try to add all the values in case if they ask to find the total. Do not write 5, 10, 15, 20 like that and then don't try to add. It's completely time waste. By just directly seeing the chart itself, try to add all the values, right? So, first question, so out of the total number of students who opted for the given 3 subjects in the year 2009, 38% were girls. How many boys are opted for mathematics in the same year? So when just here, out of the total of 3 subjects in the year 2009, where 38% were girls. So our target is to find what about the boys. If 38% is girls, then the remaining 62% will be boys. So we have to find the total for the year 2009, and after finding the total, you have to find what is 62% for the total value, which means the total number of boys. That's it. Very easy question. Just see in 2009. So 2009, 20, 20 and 5, right? So 20, 25, 20 plus 20, 40. So 40 plus 5 will be 45, and all the values are given in 1000. So we can say that 45,000. So 45,000 will be the total number of students who are opted for all the 3 subjects. So now according to the question, 38% were girls. So remaining 62% will be boys. So 62 by 100. So 45 into 62. So 5 2s are 10. Remaining will be 1. 38, 38, 39. So remaining will be 3. 24. 24 plus 3 will be 27. So 27900. So 27,900 will be the total number of boys in the year 2009. So when understood, right? Very easy. Just like that, you have to add all the values, right? After adding all the value, you need to you don't find what is 38. Some students will do that, finding what is 38%, and then after finding 38%, you have to subtract again with the 45. That is completely some area you will make a mistake on subtraction, right? So that's the reason, instead of finding how many girls are there, better from 100% subtract 38. Remaining will be 62. That will be the boys. So directly find what is 62% for this 45,000. Okay? So answer will be 27,900, which will be the total number of the total number of students who opted for Hindi and who opted for mathematics in the 3 years 2006, 7, 9. So just we need to find the total. That's it, right? So what is the total here? 5 plus 35 plus 15. Okay, so 35 plus 5 will be 40. 40 plus 15, 55, 65, 70, 80, 90 plus 5 will be 95. So 95,000. That's it. Because all the values are in terms of 1000. So we can say that our target is to find who opted total, right? So Hindi as well as mathematics. So total will be 95,000. So 95,000 will be the answer for question number 3. So question number 4, the total number of students who opted for mathematics in the year 2005 and 2008 together is approximately what percentage? Again, approximately what percentage? X by y into 100. So the numerator will be the students in the year 2005, 2008 mathematics. So 2005, 15, 2008, 30. So 50 plus 13 will be 45. So numerator value will be 45. So divided by the total number of opted for all the 3 subjects in the same year. Okay. So 55, 85, 140. So 140 into 100. So whether our target is to find an approximate answer? Yes, approximate answer. So 0, 0. So 450 divided by 14. So 14 3s are 42. So remaining will be 30. 14 2s are 28. So remaining will be 2. Again 14 2s are, sorry, 1 14s are 14. Approximately we can say 32%. because while dividing, right, so we are getting in the range of 32 something, 32 point something. So we can say that approximately the answer will be 32% for the question, right? So easy thing, the only where you can able to make your time management is like this area, right? Just by adding the values directly by seeing the computer, right? Do not write all the values and then don't try to add it. It's completely time waste. So make sure to calculate the values and add all the values little bit fastly. So the last question, what is the respective ratio between the total number of students who opted for English in the year 2006-2008? Okay, so we need to find the ratio, right? So students, those who opted for English in the year 2006 and 2008 together. Okay, so 2006, 25 and 30, which is 55. So next will be students who opted for Hindi in the year 2005 and 2009. So 2005 and 2009, so 5 plus 20, 25. So 25, 55, this will be 5, 11. So 11:5, that's it. So answer for the fifth question will be 11:5, right? So easy thing, this chart is also easy. I think this 5 sets of set number part 3 video will be easy, because we have taken only medium level to easy level question in order to understand that the easy way to solve a question. I have seen many students keep on writing all the values and adding it. It's completely time waste. So practice more and more number of questions like this, so that by where you can able to solve, if you are going for RRB PO prelims or RRB clerk prelims, SBA clerk prelims, most of the prelims exam data interpretation will be like this. So you can easily solve all the 5 questions within 2 minutes. It comes only in practice, right? So practice more number of questions. So if you keep on practicing, so it is easy to solve. So these are the answers for the given 12th set of DI. So this will be the answer for the question. So set number 13, DI. So here they have given a pie chart as well as they have given a bar chart. So the pie chart shows that the total number of teachers are 4,500. So out of this total number of teachers, district A, this much of percentage of teachers are there. So district B, so totally there are 6 districts, and this 4,500 teachers are separated into some percentage value. And the second, the bar chart shows that the total number of male teachers in the total 6 districts, right? So here female teacher, what you need to do is you need to find, for example, if there is a district A, in order to find the female teachers, so first what you need to do is out of 4,500, you need to see how many total teachers are there in the district A. So out of the total, you have to subtract this 200, so the remaining will be the female teachers. So what you can do is, initially it is your wish, right? Again, it is your wish. Even in part number 1 video, I have told this. If the question is like this, total given, male given, if you need to find the female. So either initially before solving all the 5 questions, so try to find the female and then start solving a question. That will be one easy technique to solve all the 5 questions. Or else if you can't, right, if you think it is a completely waste of time, then you can, after reading each and every question, based upon the question, you can find the total males, females, etc. But here what I am going to do is, initially we know the total number of males how much, but we don't know what is the total number of females. First I am going to find the total number of females here, right? So first what you need to do is, out of this 4,500, where A is how much percentage, 14% are in district A, right? So you don't want to find what is 14%, you just multiply 45 into 14. So friends, understood or not, right? So we need to find for 45,000 what is 14%. So for 45,000, if you need to find what is 14%, 0, 0, 0, 0. So better you can write 14 into 45, that is enough, right? So what I can do is, first I can write a 14 into 45 district A, right? So district B, how much percentage? 16 into 45 district B. So district C will be 28. 28 into 45, 15 into 45, right? So this will be 675. 50 into 45 is 675. Okay. So next will be 21 into 45, right? So the last district F will be 6 into 45, right? Yes, 6 into 45, which is 270. So this will be the total number of teachers in the district, right? District F, and this will be district A, B, C, etc. So first let me find the total. So 45 into 14. So 45 into 10 will be 450. So 20, 630. So 630 will be the total number of teachers in district A. Next will be 16 into 45. So this will be 720. So 28 into 45. So 40 into 20 will be 800. So 8 5s are 40. 800, 100 will be 900. So 60, 1260. So 21 into 45. So 45 into 20, 900. So 45 into 1 will be 45, 945. So friends, understood or not, right? So now district A, the total number of teachers are 630, 720, 1260, 675, 945, 270, right? So these are the total number of teachers that was separated into 6 districts. So now we know that total number of male employees are, male teachers are how much, which was directly given in the chart. So we need to find the total number of females, right? So here, just listen here, 630 is the total, and male is how much, 200. So 630 minus 200, resultant will be 430. So 430 will be the total number of female teachers in district A. So similarly find the remaining parts. So 720, so which is 320. So 320 will be district B. District C is how much? 650. So 650. 1260, 650. So 610. So next will be 575. 945. So 945. 445. So 445. So next female will be 100, right? 170. That's it. So these are the females, and the males are directly given in the chart. That's it. So this alone, again, this alone will make you time to solve DA. At least it takes 1 minute or 1.5 minutes here itself. Definitely this might take you 1 or 1.5 minutes. But if you find the answers, the total district people and the female teachers of all the district and the male teachers of all the district are given in the chart. So now when you enter into all the 5 questions, it seems to be very easy. Just see what is the first question. So what is the average number of female teachers taking all the district together? So our target is to find the average of all the female teachers in all districts. So here we already found the total number of female teachers. So now you need to add the total, whether average, right? Is average. So you need to add all it and you need to find what is the average, right? So this will be 5, 0, 10, remaining will be 1. So 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 13, 17, 24, 25. So remaining will be 2. So 6, 9, 15, 20, 24, 25. So 2550. So 2550, how many districts are there? 6 districts. So divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 30. So 425. So 425 is what? The total number of the average teachers of all the 6 districts. So easy or not? Just see. Once if you find all these answers, solving the remaining 5 questions will be very simple. That's the reason even in part number 1, data interpretation, I have told you the same thing. Initially take 1 or 2 minutes of time to find the male, female and all. So once after finding it, solving all the 5 questions will be very simple. So now this will be the answer for question number 1, right? So what is the next question? So by what percentage is the total number of teachers in district B is more than that of district F? So just see here, our target is to find what percentage more. What percentage more? X is what percentage more? X minus y by y into 100. So because of what percentage more, the numerator value should be positive. So what 2 district they are talking about? District B. District B is how much? 720. And the district E is how much? E or F? Yes, F is 270, right? So 720 and 270. So 720 minus of 270 divided by 270 into 100. That's it. So because when you subtract 720 and 270, you will get a positive value. So we can say it is a percentage more. If it is percentage less, then 270 should be written here, 720 should be written at the second. So when you subtract, the resultant answer will be negative, right? So now we need to find rather an approximate answer. What is this question? The number of teachers? No, not an approximate answer. Okay. So this will be 450 divided by 270 into 100, 00 here. So 4500 divided by 27. So 1 times 27, 17,5. No, I am getting an, okay, approximately we can say 17%, right? So here they didn't give you an approximate thing, but we can take it as an approximately I am getting in the range of 17. So based upon the options, right? So based upon the options, we can say the answer will be 17%, right? So third question. So what is the respective ratio between the total number of teachers, male teacher and a female teacher, taking all the districts together? So when just here our target is to find the ratio for male teachers and the female teachers, right? We already found the female teacher is how much? 2550. So 2550 is the female teacher. So what about the male teachers? So we know the total number of teachers will be 4500. So out of 4500, 2550 is the total number of female teacher. When you subtract both, so 0, 5, 14, 3, 1, 1950. So 1950 will be the total number of male teachers and total number of female teacher 2550. So our target is to find 0, 0 and cancel it on, okay, we can cancel it on 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 51, cancel it on 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 39, we can cancel it on 3 table, 13, so cancel it on 3 table, 17. So we can say that the ratio will be 13:17. So 13:17 will be the ratio of total number of males in all the district to total number of females in all the district, right? So 13:17. Okay. So next question. So what is the difference between the total number of female teacher in district ADE? So ADE 430, 575, 445. So we need to find the just a difference, right? Just a difference is enough. So district BCF. So male will be 430, 575, ADE 445, 10, 15, 1 and 10. Okay. So next will be BCF. So total number of male teachers in BCF. Okay, so male teacher 400, 100, 650, 600, 700. Okay, 111, 650. So this will be 300. Yes, difference will be 300, right? Because 1150 there. So here the total will be 1450. So we need to find just a difference, not an average, just a difference. So difference will be 300. So which will be the answer for question number 4. So question number 5. So by what percentage the total number of female teacher in district ADF was more than that of male teachers in the same district? Just see here again, what percentage more? If it is what percentage more, then the numerator value should be positive. So for district ADF in the female teacher, so A is ADF, so A, D and F. So 430, right? So 575 and 170. So 5, 14, 17, 1, 5, 10, 11, 1175. So 1175 minus of, so more than that of male in the same district. So male in the same district, look at the chart, 400. So 400 divided by 400 into 100. whether we need to find an approximate value. No, not an approximate value, right? So first what you can do is you can cancel 0, 0 here, cancel 0, 0 here. So this will be 193% more, right? Is this the answer? Yes. So I'm getting an answer 193% more, right? So please check this alone, because 175, which is around 7 divided by 4, 1 times 4, 3 times 9 4s are 36, 9 times. Okay, I'm getting 193%. Please check this out, because I don't know whether it is correct or wrong, right? So okay, 193% more. So which will be the answer for the last fifth question, right? So very interesting to see these kinds of charts, right? Because different charts, right? Every DA we are solving in a little bit different way, and these are more important too. Always some students will say that why I need to find this initially, without finding it can I solve the question, start solving the question? You can, but at some point you will make more number of times. Just see the first question. The first question itself, our target is to find the total number of females, average. So there, if you need to find total number of females, you have to find the total teachers in district A, B, C, and then you have to subtract with male. Only then you will get the total female. So no other way, you have to do it in this way, right? So this is the only easiest way to solve the question. And there is some shortcut for some questions. Even if they ask what is the average, they ask you to find, first question they ask you to find the average number of female teachers. So what you can do is you can find the total without finding this. You can find the total number of people in all the different districts, and you can just add the second chart, total male, and 4500 minus total male. When you subtract it, resultant will be female divided by 6. That is one of the easy shortcut you can find the answer, because we know 4500 is what? Total number of teachers, right? But according to the second chart, if you add all the values, resultant will be the total number of male. So when you subtract 4500 minus total number of male, the resultant will be female. So without finding all these answers, you can just like that find the answer for the first question. It is easy. But remember one thing, for every question this is not applicable. At some point you have to find you have to find the female for all the district, and you have to find the female for these two districts and this district. So at some point you may struggle to solve it. That's the reason I am saying initially find what is the total number of teachers in all the district, what is the total number of females in all the district, and then if you start solving a question, the DA looks very simple. So this will be the answers for a set number 13 DA. So set number 14 DA. So here the DA that is based upon a pie chart, and all the pie chart values are given in terms of percentages, right? So percentage distribution of students of a different course, and the total number of students are 6500. So out of this 6500, where the students are separated into pharmacy 13%, MBA 26%, MBBS 16%. Okay, so some percentage value has been given in the pie chart, right? So what is the first question? So what is the value of half of the difference between the number of students in MBA and MBBS? So when just see here, what is the value of the difference? Right? So first find the difference for MBA students who are in MBA and MBBS. So MBA is how much? 26%. MBBS is how much? 6%. So first let me find the difference. 26 minus 6 will be 20%. 20% is the difference. 20% off. So 20% off will be 10%. So out of this 6500 students, so where off is 10%, so 6500 for 10% will be 650. So answer for question number 1 is 650 students. So friends, understood or not, right? So we need to find what is the value of half of the difference. So first find the difference, 26 minus 6, which is 20%, and for that 20% you need to find off. So 20% off will be 10%. So for 6,500, 10% will be 650. So answer for question number 1 will be 650. Okay, so question number 2. So how much percentage approximately the students are in MBA as compared to the students in B.Ed? So just look at the question, how much more percentage, right? So how much percentage more? So how much percentage more means the positive, the numerator value should be positive, right? So comparison is what? MBA as compared to B.Ed. So MBA is how much percentage? 26%. So B.Ed is how much percentage? 18%. So 28 minus of 18 divided by 18 into 100. Understood? So only when you subtract both the value, resultant will be a positive value, right? So 28 minus 18 will be 10. So 10 divided by 18 into 100. So this will be 1000. So 1000 divided by 18. So okay, so whether we need to find an approximate answer? Yes, we need to find an approximate answer. So 18 95 times 90, remaining will be 1000. So 55 something, right? So we can say that answer will be approximately 55%. So based upon the options, right? So based upon the options, you can find the answer, right? So no, right? It is 26 actually, B.Ed, right? So MBA versus B.Ed. MBA is 26%. I'm sorry. 26%. Sorry. So 26. This will be 8. %, right? Approximately 43 point something. So we can say that answer is 44%. I'm sorry. Heavy leg pain from the morning because yesterday only I have taken time and work Target-100 series, which I have not posted yet. Okay. So question number 2, answer is 44%. Okay. What is question number 3? What is the total number of students in B.Ed, pharmacy and MBBS together? Just we need to find the total. That's it. We don't want to find average or nothing like that. Just find the total. So B.Ed is how much? 18%, 13%, 6%. So 18 plus 13, 20, 21. 30 plus 31 plus 6 will be 37%. So 37% will be the total number of students who are studying in all the 3 B.Ed, pharmacy as well as MBBS. But our target is to find what is the total number of students in terms of numbers. So into the total number of students is how much? 6,500. So 6,500. 0, 0, 0 cancel percentage. So 65 into 37. 7 5 are 35, 3. So 15, 42, 57, 60. So remaining will be 6. 6 3s are 18, 18, 24, 2405. So 2405 will be the total number of students who are studying in all the 3 subjects, that is B.Ed, pharmacy and MBBS together. So according to the given question, we found the total number of students, right? So third question. What is the respective ratio between the number of students in pharmacy and number of students in B.Tech? Just we need to find the ratio, right? Pharmacy is how much? 13%, and the B.Tech is how much? B.Tech will be 7%. So 13 and 7. So already it's like we're finding the ratio. So if 6,500 will be cancelled, percentage will be cancelled. So only value will be 13:7. That's it, right? This will be the answer for the question. Because here 13% of 6,500, 7% of 6,500. So percentage you can cancel. 6,500 we can cancel. So only answer is 13:7, right? So question number 4, sorry, 5th question. So this will be the first and this will be second, third, fourth, 5th question, last question. Yes, the number of students in BSc is approximately what percentage of number of students in B.Ed? So BSc, how many percentage of students are there? 30 percentage. So write only 30 percentage will be cancelled. Approximately what percentage of the students in B.Ed? So B.Ed is how much? 18. 18, right? Okay, 18. So into 100, that's it. So which will be 3000 divided by 18. So this will be 1 times 120. Whether an approximate answer or yes, approximately they need to find. So 5 something 6. Okay, approximately we can consider it as 160 percentage. 3000 divided by 18. What is the numerator value? 3000 by 18. Okay. Okay, 160 approximately, right? 18, 118s are 18, remainder will be 12, so 120, so it will be sorry, it will be 6, right? So not 5, 1 6 times 167 something. Okay, 167 percentage approximately, right? So just calculate and see whether you are getting 167, because we need to find an approximate answer. So 155 based upon the option, it can be 165 can be option, or else 168 something, but we are getting in the range of 167, approximately 167. So which is the answer for the last question, 5th question, right? So that's it, easy chart. And here we just there is no huge calculation, nothing like that. So we have to read the questions carefully and decide what we need to find exactly, percentage more or percentage less, for what value we need to find the ratio, and for what we need to find x is what percentage of y. So be careful on putting all the values in a certain format. That's it. So these are the answers for set number 14. Set number 15, so last set in part number 3. So here they have given a 2 table chart. So the first table chart will be totally there are 5 companies and the number of employees they have given, and the second chart will be the total number of companies, male and the female ratio has been given, right? So, and many students who are like keep on asking me that by seeing this question whether I have to find the male total number of males and total number of females separately. That is initially I am saying, even in the previous 2 questions, that is 2 questions back, I have told you this. They have given a male, they have given a total. So what we initially did, we found the total number of females of all the districts, all the teacher female districts we have found. And similarly in part number 1 also I have told you the same thing. In the question, if they are talking about the male and female, total has been given. Always initially try to find all the companies how many male are working, all the companies how many female are working. That will help you to solve all the 5 questions under this chart. But one important thing, right? But one important thing, before doing this, before finding all the females separately, all the males separately, just take 30 seconds initially to read all the questions, right? Just 30 seconds fastly see all the 5 questions based on this chart. In case if they are asking us to find the total number of males in all the company or total number of females in all the company, so find what is the average between the total number of male working, difference of total number of female working. If there is any question like this out of 5 questions, if there is any one question like this, you have to initially spend your time for finding the male separately, female separately. If the question, or if after reading all the 5 questions, if any one question which is based upon this pattern, you have to find this. But after reading all the 5 questions, if they are not talking about the total number of male or total number of female, it is not needed to find the male separately and female separately. It is completely time waste. So here I have all the 5 questions. I will just read all the 5 questions fastly. First question, what is the respective ratio between number of females in company P and L? They are talking about only single company, not all the companies, right? So second question, number of female employee working in company O Second question, they are talking about one company, that is company O. Third question, what is the average number of employees in all the companies? That too not female and male, total of all the companies employees, which directly they have given in the chart. So fourth question, the number of female employees in company M, again talking about one company, the total number of male employees working in company M and P together. Just see, after seeing all the 5 questions, not even one question they are talking about the total number of male in any companies, right? So if they ask like total, find average number of male in all the companies, if they ask a question, then you have to find the male for all companies, but there is no question like that. So initially you don't want to waste your time by finding male female total separately, it is not needed. So you can directly enter into the first question. So what is the respective ratio between the female of company P? So company P female is how much? 5 part. So divided by the total part, which is 12. And the company P, how many number of employees are there? 1200. So ratio. The second will be the number of females in company L. So company L is female is how much? 8 part. So divided by total 20. And company L total number of employees are 400. Right. So just like that, cancel it. This will be 3 times. So cancel it. This will be 4 times. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 25 is to 8. That's it. So this will be the answer for the first question. So 25 is to 8 will be the ratio for the female for the given companies, right? So second question. The number of female employees working in company O is what percentage of employees working in that company? Is what percentage, which means X is what percentage of Y. So the value of X will be the numerator value. So female working in company O. So female that they are working in company O is how much? 12. Right? So 12 divided by 25. So 12 divided by 25 will be the, out of 25 total parts, 12 is the total number of, is what percentage of total number of working in that company. Okay, so it's what percentage of total number of, just a minute, the number of female working in company O. Okay, company O is how much? 12 divided by 25, right? So out of this, the total number of employees who are working in company O is how much? 1000. So again divided by 1000, because X is what percentage of Y. This will be X value and this will be Y value into 100. So better you don't want to write this 1000. You can directly, because our target is to find only what percentage. So you can directly write 12 divided by 25 into 100. So 12 divided by 25 into 100. So cancel this 4 times. This will be 48. So 48% will be the answer for the question, right? So third question. So what is the average number of employees in all companies together? Just see, they are not talking about only the male employee. They are talking about the total number of employees. So total number of employees are already given in the first chart itself. Just add all the values: 400, 600, 1000, 1800. So 2800, 4000, and we need to find an average. So 4000 divided by 5 companies. So 4000 divided by 5 will be 800. So 800 will be the average. So question number 4. The number of female employees in company M is, so number of female employees in company M. Okay, so number of female company M. Company M is how much? 5 is the female employees. So divided by 20, and company M, how many total employees are there? 600. That's it. So cancel this 30. So 150. So 150 will be the total number of female employees in company M. So fifth question. The number of male employees working in company N and P together. So okay, total number of male employees. So N is how much male employee? 4 part. So 4 by 5. So into the male employee in company N will be 800. So plus and P together. So P will be 1200 is the total number of employees, and for P 7 divided by 12. This can be 1 5 is 5, right? 160. So this will be 100. So this will be 700. So plus 0, 24 to 640, 1340. So 1340 will be the total number of male employees on the given company, that is N and P together, which is the answer for the last question, right? So friends, that's it. Easy question. So that's the reason I'm saying, after reading the question, you don't want to find a male, total number of male in all the companies or a female in all the companies. That is completely time waste for these kinds of DA. So first, if you look at the DA that is based on male and female and total has been given, initially spend 30 seconds to read all the 5 questions. So inside that, any one question, all the 5 questions, after reading all the 5 questions, if any one of the question is like based on total number of male or total number of female or finding the average of total male, then you have to initially spend 1 or 2 minutes to find the total number of male in all the company, total number of female in all the company. But after reading all the question, if you didn't see any question that is based on total male or total female, then initially you don't want to file male separately, female separately. By just seeing the question, after reading each and every question, by seeing the chart, you can find the answer, right? So this is one of the easiest way to crack these kinds of questions in the exams. So here is the part 3. So finally part 3 DA we have completed. So still last 5 sets to go in Target-100 series DA. So after that, I will be planned to post time and work, time and distance 100 questions. So make sure to buy the test package 2023 if you are preparing this year, and practice all the practice sets which is inside it. If you need to clear the bank exam, definitely that prelims and homework test and some of the important PDF files will definitely help you to crack the exam. So thank you so much friends for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching this. Bye.